Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to move an image from one place to the selected destination on a Mac computer using terminal commands. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer to be able to use and implement these terminal commands for your own requirements. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for the application terminal, which should be built into the Mac computer. Click on this. Let's just increase the size of the terminal window. Increase the text size. That's okay. Let's decrease the size of the terminal to make it in line with what's on the desktop. So let's now move the image from the desktop all the way to Documents, so we can now decrease the size of Finder. And move that to the side. And so let's now navigate to the desktop, CD desktop, ls-l, and the command is mv, as we are moving an image from the desktop. So tilde, option n / desktop, tab, image, IMA, tab, and now to its final destination, which is tilde, option n / documents, return. And there you go. The image has now moved from the desktop to Documents. So we can now quit Finder, clear the terminal, quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.